everyone. Just wanted to make a quick video here about the cigar box guitar that I got on Amazon for $25. It's so much fun. You don't really have to put much together. You just put the bridge in. It's literally a bolt and the nut over here, which is another bolt. And then you string it up and it's all ready to go with a piezo pickup, which is very loud. Picks up every little noise, but it sounds pretty good. And it comes with, you know, a book and a CD if you don't know how to play this kind of instrument, as well as a short Pyrex slide. Most of my slides are, you know, this length. So this one's kind of a slightly shorter one, but it does a lot because this is a shorter neck. But I actually have a lot more fun playing it with on my lap horizontally with a steel bar. I'm just really surprised how good this thing sounds and how fun it is to play. And the cigar box is actually a cardboard box, but it's pretty thick, so I don't imagine it breaking unless, you know, I went al kabong with it. Another thing that I saw was fun from another YouTuber was getting a little portable amp. Those are like $25 as well on Amazon. And it's so small. It just runs off a single 9-volt battery. You just have to leave the overdrive off or it kind of distorts. But that's also really fun to play with, because acoustically it doesn't make a whole lot of sound. It's so fun. And of course you can play it like a guitar, which is, I think, the way most people I see play it, but with the cord sticking out, you have to get a 90-degree cord here, or it gets in the way a lot. yeah, check it out if you're interested in bottleneck blues, slide guitar, lap steel guitar, open tunings. It's just a fun thing to play.